If you're encountering matchmaking error 2025 in Valorant, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your Valorant client is updated to the latest version. Launch the right client and check for any available updates, then install them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or restarting your router. A poor connection can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve matchmaking error 2025 and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.